Hey, well, this is like day 5 here, working in my barn, listing YouTube or making YouTube videos and selling stuff on eBay, listing it, selling it, packing it, shipping it, advertising it, trying to just keep things going. I wanted to do a quick kind of thing on YouTube. I don't know if everybody gets it. Yeah, people watch YouTube videos and they're informational, and they're really good tutorials, and there's people that just ramble on like me. But I don't know if people are getting it. If you're a YouTube somebody who makes videos on YouTube, it's a process, man. It is a lot of friggin' work. Not only just doing the videos, but editing them, putting them up, taking the time out to do them. And YouTube makes it really friggin' hard to be shown on the YouTube channel, on YouTube. Yeah, I promote them on Facebook and all, but the thing is, it used to be by clicking. You would click on the video and you would get a hit, and that would show YouTube that, hey, people are watching me, but they changed it. Now they changed it to how long people watch a video, how many people subscribe, how many people hit that little bell icon underneath the video. I think it's underneath. I don't know where the hell it is. Yeah, see, it's how are you gonna find it if you don't know where it is? Oh, here we go. Look, up on the top right, there's my video I just did. On the lower right hand corner, there's a subscribe button that will subscribe you to my channel. Now, it won't tell you every time I put one up unless you hit up in the right corner the bell icon. Bell icon notifies you every time that I put up a video, or somebody else does if you're interested in their content. What was I going to say? Yeah, lower right hand corner, there's a subscribe button. Down here, there's a thumbs up. Now, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Now, it doesn't matter if you do a thumbs up or thumbs down to YouTube. It shows that somebody is interacting with your channel. So it's good either way. There's a share button. You could share that with anybody you want. You could hit share. It'll take you to Facebook, Twitter, I don't know what Blogger is, Reddit, and Tumblr. And I think there's a bunch of other ones. Yeah. Yeah, so check this out. There's analytics. Now, you only see this if you're a someone who puts content out. Now, the analytics, it tells me how many views I got, watch time, subscribers, and man, it's crazy in depth. It will tell you everything and anything about people watching your videos. It's nuts. It tells you where the views are coming from. There's an editor. You can play around with the video. I don't use that. I use another one. Comments. Nobody has given me any comments yet. It's only been up for 10 minutes. Yeah, you can play around with it and do all kinds of stuff. But man, I'll tell you, it's crazy the stuff that they look at. Again, it's not clicks anymore. It's only it's watch time and interaction in the video. So, you know, it really helps if you, even if you don't watch the damn thing, just let it run till the end and go mop your floor or pet the cat or something. You know, it really does help a lot. What I want to finally get into is If you look at this, see, this is my video. On the right-hand side, there's suggested videos. Now, I've only been on for like 4 months, maybe 4 months. I never get into that suggested column that I know of because there's really not much interaction with the actual YouTube page. There's a lot of interaction with the Facebook page, but what you got to do is comment. You got to go to the YouTube, click on it, and then comment and do any interaction in the YouTube world, not in the Facebook world. And then maybe I'll finally get pushed into the suggested column to the rest of the world, so they could see all of my interesting content. I know you guys can't live without it. It gives me something else to do. But yeah, hopefully that was quick enough. Again, this will be a YouTube video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And always hit that bell icon and a thumbs up. And I could probably give you more to do, but I'm sure you're busy doing something. Thanks again. You guys have a good day. And be careful out there. Hopefully things are going to start settling down soon. I don't know. Check out Sully's, hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. Sully Erna, 7 years. Check it out. Great friggin' song. Wow. Have a good day. See you.